Hi, it's Shogol here. Okay, so this is a little update what's going on in our studio. It's going well basically. We did some stuff, I will show you it in a moment. And basically, I think in next 2 weeks I will make another movie because the next things that will come, they are quite significant. You will see the changes and they are worth making a movie. Last month wasn't that spectacular because those things were very small, removed, repair something, nothing significant. Next week's things will be going. So first thing you'll notice that we removed the garbage containers. Yes, it took 6 huge garbage containers to remove all the debris or the crap we had in this building. So we are finally done it, and we are just left with this bag for some small things like bags and some old broken tiles, nothing important. And here you can see our plaster boards, the plates with the plaster boards. So when I mentioned in the data update on the website that there was delivery of the plaster, those are those. So it's like 6 plates, 8 tons of plaster we'll use soon in our construction. Let's move inside the building. Okay, so we are at the Studio A room, so the biggest room in our studio. As you see, there are some changes, visible changes, because we added the steel frame construction. So this room is ready for adding the plaster boards and covering the steel frame with the plaster board. But we are waiting for the electrician to fix the sockets, move the cables. We'll be adding here a 3-phase socket. So if we will need some extra lighting, something more powerful, we'll have industrial three-phase sockets ready here. And well, after he will be done, we can put the plaster, then we can put the red brick tiles, put the flooring, and the room will be ready. Okay, this is the little thing I want to show you. Those are sewage pipes that will go upstairs and will connect to the bathrooms in the guest rooms. Basically, we are covering the whole room with the plaster walls to achieve few goals. First of them is to cover those sewage and water pipes. Second is to straighten the walls because they are a bit curvy. And also to the outside, so the frame to the windows will give us additional sound isolation and heat isolation. Anyway, yeah, it's done. Let's move. Okay, we are at Studio B. Studio B is also done with the steel frames. And yeah, we are also waiting for the electrician to put the sockets, and then we can put the plaster and room. After putting the plaster and painting and putting the flooring will be ready. So it will be ready soon. So also we see here there are additional sewage that also goes upstairs, and also we use this frame to cover these sewage pipes. So let's move upstairs. Okay, so we are in the room on number 1. So as you see, there is a progress. We made the steel frame for the drywalls, for the plaster walls, and yeah, we separated the bathroom from the remaining part of the room. You can see more or less how it will look soon. And what we did also, we did the sewage, we did the watering, and next step is just to put the remaining vertical profiles, and we can start putting the plaster, the gypsum, the drywalls. And other rooms more or less look the same. They are on the same level. The sink frame is ready, the water is out, and they are just need to adding those extra profiles and putting the plasters. So yeah, things are going here on very well. So let's move to the other parts. Okay, this is the place I wanted to show you. This is the toilet in the middle section on the top floor. We are also started working on them because, the shareholders that are here in Warsaw and I talked with, they said that those bathrooms were the most crappy place in this building, most disgusting crappy place in this building. So they asked me to fix them as soon as, and well, yeah, we are working on them. As you see, there are tilings. Soon we'll put the floor tilings, that you see the tile cutter, and I think maybe next week's those 2 toilets will be ready. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. So as you see, we are progressing. There is a lot of things actually that were made. Those are small little things that aren't worth mentioning, but they are significant and we need to make them. Now, in next weeks, those changes will be very visible. Our progress will be visible because we will start finishing, putting the plasters, we'll putting the tiles, and those changes will be quite significant. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another episode. Thanks. Take care.